Audio Jungle.
So this is a good question. Someone's asking, and any one of you could answer this or contribute to it. If you're starting from scratch in a laundromat that had no technology at all, like what would kind of be your top three things that you would want to implement?
A customer service that can grow with you. In the beginning, the phone number posted was my second line on my iPhone, and that was a huge regret. It just always came to my iPhone. Um, so planning out that growth. So customer service, and same with on the flip side, the staffing, planning out the staffing. We talked about it earlier with scheduling and whatnot, putting all that in place in the very beginning. And then third, I guess, would be some sort of tech within your laundry for the customer.
If I can add to that, like what Ross just said about tech for the laundromat, when we put in Alexa, this is something they had in our PA system, it freed up the tension of the staff interacting with the customer, because we were able to broadcast like about, hey, check your pockets. It just made the environment a lot more friendly, or the closing times, instead of staff going and telling the customer, hey, this is the last load. Alexa broadcasts that out. So if you're able to do that, and that's relatively cheap. So
I know we've talked a lot about like machines and tech in those, but if I took over a laundromat that didn't have much tech to begin with, and they were doing things like wash and fold, I would be looking for a system to put in place to be able to track that instead of using paper receipts. It's probably one of the cheapest updates you can do, and it can help you track everything. So